Welcome to the Genius Zone. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the fascinating history of biology. From the earliest observations of living organisms to the groundbreaking discoveries of the modern era, biology has come a long way. So let's take a journey through time and explore the key milestones in the history of this incredible field. Section 1. The birth of biology. The study of biology can be traced back to ancient civilizations like Egypt, Greece, and India. These cultures made observations about plants and animals in their environment, but it wasn't until the scientific revolution in the 16th and 17th centuries that biology really began to take shape as a discipline. One of the key figures in this early period was Carolus Linnaeus, a Swedish botanist who developed the system of taxonomy that we still use today. Linnaeus was the first to categorize and name organisms based on their physical characteristics, laying the foundation for modern biological classification. Section 2. The rise of microscopy. The invention of the microscope in the 17th century revolutionized biology by allowing scientists to see organisms and cells that were too small to observe with the naked eye. This opened up a whole new world of discovery and led to the development of the field of microbiology. One of the most famous early microbiologists was Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist who made countless observations of microorganisms using a simple microscope. His work laid the foundation for the study of bacteria and other microscopic life forms. Section 3. Evolution and genetics. The 19th century saw the emergence of two major theories that would transform the field of biology: evolution and genetics. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection, published in his book On the Origin of Species in 1859, challenged the traditional view that species were fixed and unchanging. Instead, Darwin argued that organisms evolved over time through a process of natural selection, with those best adapted to their environment surviving and reproducing. At the same time, Gregor Mendel, an Austrian monk, was conducting experiments on pea plants and uncovering the basic principles of genetics. Mendel's work demonstrated that traits were inherited in a predictable manner, paving the way for the modern study of genetics. Section 4. Modern biology. The 20th century saw an explosion of scientific discoveries that transformed biology in profound ways. The discovery of DNA and the development of genetic engineering techniques allowed scientists to manipulate the genetic code of organisms, leading to breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and other fields. One of the most famous breakthroughs in modern biology was the discovery of the structure of DNA by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of genetics and laid the foundation for the field of molecular biology. In recent decades, biology has continued to advance at an astonishing pace, with new discoveries being made every day. From the study of complex systems like the human brain to the exploration of the vast biodiversity of our planet, biology is a field with endless possibilities for discovery and exploration. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief history of biology from its earliest roots to the modern era. From the taxonomy of Linnaeus to the genetics of Watson and Crick, biology has come a long way in a relatively short amount of time. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the history of biology, and we invite you to continue exploring this fascinating field for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Genius Zone for more videos on science, history, and everything in between.